Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is beneficial ownership information, and this is clearly the hottest topic in the field of taxation today. Now, normally I do not get involved in speculating, reading, diagnosing about future tax law. In fact, I did a lot of that in my younger years, and that's sort of what gave me a name, my notoriety in the field, by being able to publish on upcoming tax law and give presentations. I don't do that anymore. I focus on what's here and now and what do we need to be paying attention to as small business owners and taxpayers, the immediate horizon. So the business ownership information is new federal law, not tax law, and that's important. We'll come back to that. New federal law designed to go into effect January 1st, 2024. That's less than 60 days, so that's why it's all of a sudden a big rush. Now, a lot of people, the AICPA and myself and many other people, think that that start date is going to be delayed, but still, it makes sense to spend a minute or two thinking about it now and considering the possible implications. So let's digest the real nutshell summary. The federal government wants to know every person who's a member of every LLC and has a financial interest or stake, shareholder interest in every corporation in the United States or does business here. And the penalty for not making that filing is substantial, $10,000. Do I think that IRS is not IRS? Yeah, Treasury is going to go after and file a penalty starting in January of 2024? No, I don't. But that's not how we do professional planning. We take the cautious approach and go from there. So while I think this law is going to be delayed, be aware that as the law stands right now, if you purchase a property January 2nd, 2024, and put it in an LLC, you have until February 1st, 30 days only, to file a form with FinCEN. I said this is not a tax form, and let's talk about that. Don't expect your tax preparer to either be knowledgeable or be offering or be responsible for filing these. As it stands right now, some state bar associations are actually pushing to make it not legal for tax preparers to file this. They want you to go to an attorney. I don't think it's going to work out that way, but it's just not right to assume that this is a tax form and that your tax preparer will file it. That's not the case. You need to consider this separately. Second, if you have family businesses, and many of my clients do, where they're held in LLC or a corporate form, and the shareholders or ownership interests are not public information, now's the time to talk about this and think about how you're going to handle it. Between now and year end, I expect that we'll have more information, and I'll be back to give more updates on this, but just wanted to put it out there now that it's something to think about, something to talk about beginning right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Hopefully, this is a topic which generates a little bit of feedback, and I'm happy to get those comments. I'm easy to reach at taxproblemsdeep.cpa at the bottom of your screen, and I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.